doing good. Myself Shanti. I'll be taking English for you. In the previous class, I have taught you chapter 1, Fearless and Faithful. The theme is Phenomenal Women. Phenomenal is nothing but exceptional or extraordinary. A person who does something great in their life. The meaning of fearless is bold, brave, courageous. The meaning of faithful is being loyal. Today we are going to learn the grammar part of chapter 1. Our topic is nouns. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Example, Mary Com is a boxer. Mary Com is the name. Boxer tells about what she is. There are 4 kinds of nouns. What are they? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun and abstract noun. Coming to proper nouns are nouns or words which name specific people, things or places. So proper noun are words which specify a name of a particular individual, place or any organization. For example, Mahatma Gandhi, Sachin Tendulkar, Rajasthan, etc. It's common noun. A common noun is a noun that refers to people or thing in general. For example, book, pen, river, etc. It means that it's a word which does not refer to a particular person, place or thing. For example, take the example of book. Here I am not mentioning the name of the book. I am saying book. It can be any book. So we are saying it in common. Third one is collective noun. In the previous classes also we have learned about collective noun. Collective noun refers to a group of people, animals or things. For example, a team of players. If you see a group of birds, how do you say a flock of birds? A crew of soldiers, an army of ants. And the last one is abstract noun. Abstract noun, it refers to a feeling or an emotion. That means you cannot see or touch it. You can just feel it. Can you see happiness? You can see happiness only on the expression of the face, but you cannot touch it. So, joy, happiness, honesty, liberty, these all are considered as abstract noun. That means the things which you cannot see with your naked eye. Take our textbook, buzzword. Open page number 10. Look at question number 8. So I am going to read the question. Underline the nouns and write whether they are common noun, proper noun, abstract noun or collective noun. Tarini stood on the bridge across the lily pond. She liked to see the Victoria Memorial against the setting sun. Lata soon joined her. They had known each other since childhood. They were filled with delight as they watched a school of fish swimming in the pond. Suddenly, they saw a swarm of bees chasing a monkey. Filled with dismay, they ran out to the park. Look at the first sentence. Tarini is the name of a girl, so it's a proper noun. Underline the word Tarini and write it as proper noun. Bridge is a common noun. Lily pond. Lily is the name of the pond, so underline Lily pond and write it as proper noun. In the second sentence, she liked to see the Victoria Memorial. Victoria Memorial is a name, so it's a proper noun. Sun is a common noun. Now coming to the third sentence, Lata is the name of a girl, so it's a proper noun. They had known each other since childhood. Childhood is one of the stages of our life. So, childhood is considered as abstract noun. They were filled with delight. Delight is nothing but they were surprised or amazed. So, it's an emotion. So, it's abstract noun. Underline the word delight and write it as abstract noun. As they watched a school of fish is a collective noun. Swimming in the pond. Suddenly, they saw a swarm of bees chasing a monkey. Swarm of bees is also a collection of bees or a group of bees. So it's a collective noun. Filled with dismay, they ran out of the park. Dismay is also an emotion. So it's abstract noun and park is a common noun. Now children, we have learned what is a noun and what are its kinds. I'll repeat it again. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Example, Mary Com is a boxer. So, take out your textbook, grammar textbook, page number 11. This topic is related with our textbook, Buzzword, chapter 1. So, look at question number A. Identify the naming words. Here, you just need to identify the naming words. You just underline it. Look at the first one. Henry is a prince of Great Britain. Henry, underline it. Prince is also a noun. Great Britain is a noun. So, underline 3 words. Second one. John swims better than Smith. John, Smith are names of 2 boys. So, underline John and Smith. Third one, Mary Com is a boxer. So, as I mentioned earlier, underline Mary Com, underline boxer. Both are nouns. Fourth one, physics is my favorite subject. Underline physics. It's the name of a subject. It's a naming word. Subject is also a noun. Fifth one, Shanu planted a seed. Shanu, underline the word Shanu and underline the word seed. Both are nouns. Here, not only the names but also the things are also considered as naming words or nouns. Now, take out page number 12. So, it's about proper noun. Proper nouns are words which name specific people, animal or things. So, this is there in your grammar textbook. And look at page number 12. Circle the proper noun and underline the common noun. As I told you, common noun is used for people, things or animals in general. Now, Rajiv and Priyanka are brother and sister. Rajiv and Priyanka are the names of a person. So, you circle Rajiv and Priyanka. And what are the common noun? Brother, sister. So, underline brother, underline the word sister. Second one, the capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. So, Nepal, circle it because it's a proper noun and Kathmandu is also a proper noun. In the same manner, do the remaining 5 questions as homework. You just need to circle the proper noun and underline the common noun. If you have any doubt, you can clarify it through WhatsApp. We have already learned about collective noun. What is a collective noun? Collective noun refers to a group of people, animals or things. Now take out page number 12 from grammar textbook and match column A with suitable words from column B. A fleet of, I repeat, a fleet of luxury cars. An orchid of fruit trees. A crowd of people. A crowd of people. An army of soldiers. An army of soldiers. A library of books. A suite of rooms. So this is how you match it. You can take a grammar notebook and write these collective nouns and match it with the suitable words. Now, next we are going to discuss about countable and uncountable nouns. Nouns are also classified as countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns which can be counted. By looking at countable itself, we can understand that these nouns are counted. For example, books, boys, parks, etc. So how many books are there in my hand? You will say, I have only one book. So you can use a or an before singular noun. Like a book, a pen, an orange, and apple. If it is plural, you should say two books. And if it is more than that, you will go on like three apples. You can use the plural form. When coming to uncountable nouns are nouns which cannot be counted. For example, water, coffee, milk, money, rice, etc. Suppose if you want some water, how will you ask your mother? Will you ask like this? Please give me water? No, it's very wrong. We should not use a or an with uncountable noun. So, you will ask in this manner, can you give me some water? Suppose, if you are mentioning the quantity, you should ask like this, please give me a glass of water. In the same way, if you are talking about money, money is also considered as uncountable. Can you lend me some money? But if you are mentioning the amount, then it is countable. If you are asking like this, can you lend me 500 rupees? Then it is counted. So, with this, I wind up this session. See you in the next class. Stay home, stay safe.